Most people probably don't consciously feel claustrophobic. Not being able to see the horizon is something that most people think is normal. When I was young, I used to collect tadpoles in the family bathtub. But then I also wanted to grow up, be a monkey, and marry my dog. What is a city, if not an attempt to exclude nature? How is it that a spider in the home is seen as a pest, rather than the killer of pests? I see nature fighting to find a balance in the cracks and holes within our developed world. That's the difference, I guess. Nature fights for balance, and humans fight for excess and consumption. We most certainly have lost a part of ourselves in this developed world. I wake up in my little house, surrounded by buildings and the sounds of cars, people, and sirens. I struggle to see the sky out of my bedroom window. Humans convincingly control the planet, and I think it's time that we realize that with the power comes responsibility. Nature will win in the end. In the meantime, I am a fan of the underdog.
My name is Tchagra Little, and I am a conservation biologist.